is a videotape inspection of the DMG Mori Dura Vertical 635 Eco, new in 2011. Go ahead and show you the hours on the screen. Cutting time is 3,788. Go ahead and open the door, jog the machine around a little bit. Go ahead and X. Y. Z. Well, we'll go ahead and zero it out real quick. Go ahead and run the spindle. Started out at 2,000. Gonna go ahead and go up to 6,000. Bump it up to 8,000. We'll go ahead and bump this up to 10,000. All right, we're going to stop that and do a tool change. Go ahead and do another one. Go ahead and walk around the machine real quick. It is included with the chip conveyor, manuals, batteries were just replaced today, which is the 14th of January 2020. Serial tag, serial number is 610-2000-306E, 2011, 12,000 RPM max. It's chip pan with his dual pumps. Get a shot of the control real quick. We do have the remote jog handle as well. This concludes the videotape inspection of the 2011 DMG Mori Dura Vertical 635, machine number 399970.